Welcome to AutobarShop.com. Today we are so pleased to introduce you Twitter automation tool, which can support you in doing any activities on Twitter, like auto update either bio website in bank, select users, auto follow, unfollow message, auto like, reply to users tweet in bank, agree follows, likes, auto post tweet on Twitter, or mass retweets for Twitter posts. In this video, we will show you instructions on how to post tweet on Twitter in bank automatically with Twitter automation tool. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running this function. Please refer to the video of tutorial how to update avatar bio and website for Twitter accounts automatically from minute 1:30 to minute 10:15. I will post link of this video in the description box. After finishing our basic setting, now at the action section you will select post tweet. Then move to the type post section. You will see three types to post here. The first one is only text, the second one is only image, and the last one is text and image. Now we will post with only text first, so you will select only text. Next, move to the content file section. You will create a text file to enter the content that you want to post on Twitter per line. For example, these are content that I want to post on Twitter. I will enter them per line. Click to save. Then at the content file section, click on the icon, select the content file created. Then click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software posts text on Twitter. Next, we will post on Twitter with image only. So you select post with an action section. Then at post type, you will select only image. And at image folder section, you will create a folder to save photos, which will be used to post on Twitter. For example, these are photos that I want to post on Twitter. So at image folder section, click on this icon, select the image folder, create it, then click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software posts photo on Twitter. Finally, we will post with both image and text, and you select post with at action section. Next, at post type, you select text and image. Similarly, you will create image folder to upload to image folder section here, and create content text file to upload the content file section here. For example, I will use the previous one and click OK to run. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software posts image with text on Twitter. These represented above are instructions on how to post tweets automatically with Twitter automation software. You can visit autobarstop.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.